gonna be late. I gotta go. Gotta get my clothes. Oh man. Yeah, I'm like, ill. Need to go get my nails done. Oh man. Sarah. Ew. What is Ted doing here? Hey, weren't you move? Hey, how you doing there? My name is Ted. Welcome to World O Mart. How can I help you today? Oh yeah, for no particular reason. I was just trying to see if I had another one of these. Yeah, I'm about to go on this road trip, and you know, I was just wondering if y'all had another one of these. Oh yeah, I can definitely go check that. Give me one moment. Yeah, I see you got here. That's good and all. Do you not remember you were fired last week? I was fired last week. I thought that was one of them, like a temporary suspension. Security. I really got my happy ass up at 6:30 in the morning. Security. Got all the way here, which wasn't easy. I ran. And I was fired. Security. Sheesh.